Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to make a floating effect in CapCut. So I already have a black media on my timeline. Now the next thing to do is add your media that you want to make floating. So I've just got a YouTube play button here. Now before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. Then with the media you want to look like it's floating, you want to come up to the right hand side and select animation. Come down until you find slide up. Now the next thing to do, once you've done that, is to come over to the left hand side, select effects, drop down the video effects, come to nightclub, then find play Palladium. Then drag this over the clip you want to appear that is floating. Now we'll make these little adjustments here. Then when we play the clip, it appears the YouTube play button is floating. And you can do this with any media. So that's how to make a floating effect in CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.